So here we have the WOWGO cordless vacuum cleaner. It's got 25.9 volt lithium ion battery. The battery is detachable and obviously rechargeable. We've got the dirt collection bin here, and in the back of there there's also a filter that can be changed out. And in terms of the length, it's adjustable with one push of a button, so you can adjust the length of the suit. I'll also just have it in the longest setting. And the head is actually got LED lighting on it as well, which is really handy when you're cleaning inside cupboards and things. The hoover itself, it runs really quietly. Once switched on, it's got 3-speed settings. It also has a battery indicator light just here, and also a light to tell you when it's tangled up, so you know when to clean the head. I'll just demonstrate the different speed settings just now. So this is the lowest speed setting. You know, you can have a conversation and speak over that, no problem. That's the second speed setting, and there's the third speed setting. The third speed setting is a bit noisier, but you'd only use that if you've got a really tough mess to clean up. In terms of its movability, you have a good range of motion with it. So and it does pick up stuff really well. I've already used it and emptied it so far, and it does a great job.